During class 11th, I leave to school in the morning, online classes in the evening, preparing for JEE. After that at night, writing notes for 2 hours. Tired copying what I already studied in class. Total of 0 questions practiced and with no revision. Then I tried watching every video on YouTube, and to be honest, it was all trash. Only if I could throw them in dust bin. Cause no one's teaching how. Just the same generic advice that you should make notes this way, that way. So that's why I built a system on how to make effective notes in 10 minutes so you don't waste time. So let's begin. Install NotebookLM. It's an AI tool built for students and to analyze data. But here's a catch. I want you to use AI tools to improve your thinking, not as a replacement of your brain. So now I'll be on screen and you follow the steps. So if you use PW to study, then open the PW app and install the notes. Or if you can't install the notes and open the Chrome, then search PW. Then turn on the desktop site here and then log into PW, then download the notes. Then after that, open the NotebookLM and publish the notes in that. For example, I uploaded electrostatics 18 notes of lecture 18. So here's how you can publish your notes here. Open the plus icon and click to the PDF. Then publish the notes here. Then prompt the NotebookLM AI that whatever you want to generate from that specific notes you uploaded. Like suppose I am generating the short, crisp and precise notes for this chapter and most important questions. So I'm prompting this. Comment prompt, then I'll be giving you the prompt in the comments reply so that you use the prompt and get crisp and precise short notes in 10 minutes.